Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Linux Mint on VirtualBox. First, download and install VirtualBox from its official website. Next, acquire the Linux Mint ISO file, which is essential for the installation. Once both are ready, open VirtualBox and click New to begin creating your virtual machine. Ensure you allocate at least 2 GB of RAM for smooth operation. This initial setup is crucial for a successful installation, providing a solid foundation for your new virtual environment. Now let's configure your virtual machine. Select Linux as the operating system type and Ubuntu 64-bit as the version. This ensures compatibility. Next, create a virtual hard disk. We recommend at least 20 GB of storage for your Linux Mint installation. Choose VDI as the disk file type and dynamically allocate it for storage. This allows the disk to grow as needed, saving physical space. With your virtual machine configured, it's time to install Linux Mint. First, mount the downloaded ISO file to the virtual machine's optical drive. Then start the virtual machine. It should boot directly from the ISO image. Follow the straightforward on-screen prompts. When prompted, select Erase Disk and install Linux Mint for a clean and complete installation within your virtual environment. This step will set up your new operating system. Congratulations, Linux Mint is installed. Now for some crucial post-installation steps. First, remove the Linux Mint ISO from the virtual optical drive to prevent booting from it again. Next, install VirtualBox Guest Editions for enhanced performance and seamless integration with your host system. Finally, update your system software using the Update Manager and begin customizing your new Linux Mint desktop environment to your liking.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.